Hello everyone and welcome back to Cooking with Frenchy. Today it's about the risotto. So what you need to have, it's your onions, chop them, garlic, peel and chop them too, and heat up some good quality olive oil. Just sweat your onions for about 2 or 3 minutes in very hot olive oil and then add your rice to it. As usual, don't forget to subscribe and change your notification bell setting. Under the video in the description you will find a full recipe just for your convenience. Here I'm coating the rice, the arborio rice we use for that recipe. I'm coating it with the oil only at first. We want to make sure that the rice is all coated and the rice starts to pearl. Pearling is when you start to see the little white dots, just like so. At this time I had the garlic and I'm trying to not burn it. And I'm still cooking on quite fair high heat. It's very important to keep the heat. Here I'm using some rosé, you could use some white wine. This recipe is really made in a rush, last minute. I didn't have time this week, we've been busy with so much happening at work and with the virus around the world, so it's really quick and easy editing. So I'm cooking the wine and make sure that oil is absorbed by the rice. Once done, I'm adding some chicken stock. So I did warm up my chicken stock first in the microwave for a few minutes, just to make sure it's quite warm, and I'm putting a little bit at the time. And I keep cooking. As you see, there's still that boiling motion here and there, just to make sure the rice absorbs all the stock before I'm adding some more. So you can do it in 2 or 3 times or 4 times. It's up to you. I like to take my times for the stock to be absorbed and the rice to cook slowly. When you cook risotto and you add your stock, make sure you let the rice suck up and absorb the stock before you add a little bit more. Very important to do so. That's what makes your risotto a little bit more creamier. Adding some more stock, and again I will cook and stir it in until it's totally absorbed. Meanwhile, I chop my carrots, peel some, and just in 1 centimeter square, 2 centimeter square. Put it in the risotto. I add some thyme and bay leaf. Keep cooking with a little bit more stock. Took a bit of butter, a few asparagus I had in the fridge, chop them up and quickly give a saute motion to it and mix them to your risotto. Here I'm gonna test the rice to see how it is. As I can see or feel, it wasn't enough, so I add a little bit more stock, and at the end I'm adding a little bit of more cream and a little bit of parmesan. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Once again, it was a quick one just to make sure you can do things from the pantry.